Hey folks, Jason Carmack again here with Vision Construction. Appreciate you guys tuning in to our NetZero build talks. Today I want to talk about this massive 18-foot foundation wall that we got behind us here. You might be wondering, why in the world would you need an 18-foot foundation wall? Well, there's some purpose behind it. This being a net zero home and us trying to achieve as most energy efficiencies as possible, and we'll kind of go around the backside of it here in a minute and I'll show you more. But this wall is intended to be bermed up essentially with dirt all the way up to about 18 inches below the top of the wall. This wall here is massive, 12 inches thick, 18 feet tall, along with the 4,500 PSI concrete that we put in it. This wall actually has number 4 rebar in it, 12 inches on center, both vertically as well as horizontally, again, to kind of help with that additional integrity and structural strength that this type of wall needs once you get that much dirt that is actually being pushed up to it. So as you see here, folks, this is a 12-inch thick wall, 18 foot tall. Coming around the back side of it here, we'll be finishing the rest of our exterior insulation that we put on our foundations, 1 3/16 drainage board, along with the 1-inch gravel almost all the way to the top of the wall. We're going to be berming this back wall up here with dirt to a 3-to-1 ratio. Again, picture that dirt being mounded up here across this whole back side, where the underside of the soffit's only going to be about 1.5 feet away from the grade. So he'll be able to walk up right on top of this home, you know, to clean out gutters and whatnot. So it's a great, easy access. But the purpose behind this berm wall here is to protect this home from the northerly winds. I don't think folks really realize just how cold and destructive that those northerly winds can be on any house. And this particular home was designed to try to offset some of those cold northerly winds in the wintertime and just cut down on drafts and everything else. So like I mentioned to you guys on a couple other videos before, this particular home, it is actually going to be better than net zero. So that means their electrical meter is going to be spinning backwards. They'll be giving energy back to the Duke Energy grid. And essentially, these guys will never have a gas and electric bill for the life of this home. Again, just imagine how much savings that is, $200, $300, $400 a month that you'll never have to pay for the life of a home. If you guys have been thinking about building a brand new custom home, maybe you've got your own lot, you've been looking for a builder and you just can't find somebody that's you know, a right fit for you, give us a call. We'd love to be able to serve you guys and take any kind of conception or vision that you have and just help you turn that into a reality. We'd be honored. Give us a call here. Again, Jason Carmack with Vision Construction. You can reach me directly, 513-432-3343, or check us out on the web at builtwithvision.com. Appreciate you guys tuning in.